In this video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano magbayad ng NBI using our Gcash. So please keep on watching, Madlang Fellas. After ng online transaction at nakapili na tayo ng schedule, pati kung paano tayo magbabayad, may marireceive tayo na QR code and reference number. Okay, punta tayo sa Gcash. Then, click natin yung bills. Next, click natin yung government. Okay, hanapin natin yung NBI. Enter natin yung reference number. Next, yung amount and contact number. Email address optional. So kung ayaw nyo ng bill protect kasi may extra charge, click nyo yung box. Then click next. Review the details and click confirm. Okay, payment received. Successful na yung ating transaction. Hope may natutunan po kayo sa video natin today. And if yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have comment or suggestion, you can comment down below. Malay nyo po, sa susunod na video, yung requested video nyo po ang isi-share natin sa iba. Lagi nyo pong tatandaan na kayo po yung nagpapasaya sa akin, kaya hindi po ako magsasawa mag-upload ng video para sa inyo. See you on my next video, Madlang Pilas. Good luck! Thanks for watching, Madlang Fellas. Don't forget to like and subscribe.